I have been studying English for 3 years. She has been working at that company since 2015. They have been living in New York City for 6 months. He has been playing the guitar for hours. We have been watching this movie for a while. Mary has been cooking dinner since 5 o'clock. The kids have been playing in the garden all day. I have been running for 30 minutes. She has been singing for the past hour. They have been waiting for you for a long time. He has been practicing the piano for weeks. We have been working on this project for months. The dog has been barking loudly all morning. I have been exercising at the gym regularly. She has been painting the house for days. They have been discussing the issue for hours. He has been repairing the car since yesterday. We have been shopping for new clothes. The chef has been cooking in the kitchen all evening. I have been gardening in the backyard. She has been knitting a sweater for her niece. They have been traveling around Europe for weeks. He has been fishing at the lake all day. We have been attending the same school for years. The team has been practicing their moves non-stop. I have been writing a novel for months. She has been babysitting her neighbor's children. They have been hiking in the mountains recently. He has been repairing the roof since morning. We have been volunteering at the local shelter. She has been designing websites for clients. I have been watching the birds in the garden. They have been playing soccer for hours. He has been taking care of his sick friend. We have been rehearsing for the school play. The students have been studying for their exams. I have been working on my computer all day. She has been teaching math to elementary students. They have been redecorating their house. He has been mowing the lawn for hours. We have been attending yoga classes regularly. She has been riding her bike in the park. They have been running a marathon. He has been searching for his lost keys. We have been cleaning the house for hours. She has been cooking a delicious meal. They have been studying French for a long time. I have been watching the sunset on the beach. He has been helping his elderly neighbor. We have been listening to music all evening. She has been reading a captivating novel. They have been building a treehouse. I have been writing emails since morning. He has been working on his car engine. We have been practicing our dance routine. She has been meditating in the garden. They have been renovating their kitchen. I have been playing video games for hours. She has been creating art in her studio. They have been organizing a charity event. He has been playing chess with his friend. We have been swimming in the pool all afternoon. She has been watching documentaries about space. They have been hiking in the wilderness. I have been snowboarding in the mountains. He has been teaching his dog new tricks. We have been discussing important issues. She has been practicing her singing. They have been planning a surprise party. I have been fixing the leaky faucet. He has been working on a science project. We have been exploring ancient ruins. She has been taking care of her garden. They have been researching for their thesis. I have been jogging in the park. He has been training for a marathon. We have been sunbathing on the beach. She has been writing poetry. They have been studying the stars at night. I have been painting a landscape. He has been building a model airplane. We have been watching a documentary series. She has been learning to play the piano. They have been working on a jigsaw puzzle. I have been practicing my golf swing. He has been cooking exotic dishes. We have been volunteering at a soup kitchen. She has been designing her own clothes. They have been cleaning the garage. I have been attending a photography class. He has been practicing his archery skills. We have been hiking in the national park. She has been redecorating her bedroom. They have been studying ancient history. I have been attending dance lessons. He has been practicing his martial arts. We have been birdwatching in the forest. She has been planting flowers in her garden. They have been working on a construction project. I have been taking care of my sick cat. He has been fixing his bicycle. We have been exploring caves. She has been training for a triathlon. They have been conducting scientific experiments. I have been hiking in the mountains. He has been repairing the roof of his house. We have been playing board games. She has been practicing yoga daily. They have been studying for a spelling bee. I have been cleaning the attic. He has been building a treehouse for his kids. We have been gardening in the backyard. She has been writing a travel blog. They have been fishing by the river. I have been studying for my final exams. He has been helping with charity work. We have been playing soccer at the park. She has been volunteering at an animal shelter. They have been working on a home renovation. I have been watching the stars at night. He has been practicing mindfulness meditation. We have been cooking meals for the homeless. She has been knitting scarves for the winter. They have been painting a mural in the city. I have been teaching my younger sibling math. He has been playing the piano for a small audience. We have been organizing a neighborhood cleanup. She has been researching marine biology. They have been practicing for a dance competition. I have been volunteering at a children's hospital. He has been taking care of his aging parents. We have been hiking in the wilderness. She has been practicing photography in the park. They have been renovating an old farmhouse. I have been participating in a book club. He has been training for a charity run. We have been cleaning up the local beach. She has been studying ancient civilizations. They have been preparing for a camping trip. I have been teaching English to refugees. He has been mentoring underprivileged youth. We have been birdwatching in the wetlands. She has been planting trees in the community. They have been renovating a historic building. I have been composing music in my home studio. He has been perfecting his barbecue skills. We have been participating in a choir. She has been volunteering at a food bank. They have been refurbishing antique furniture. I have been coaching a youth soccer team. He has been tutoring students in math. We have been sailing on the weekends. She has been training guide dogs for the blind. They have been organizing charity fundraisers. I have been writing a blog about sustainable living. He has been restoring classic cars as a hobby. We have been exploring caves in the mountains. She has been practicing acrobatics. They have been renovating an old school building. I have been volunteering at a wildlife sanctuary. He has been mentoring aspiring musicians. We have been participating in a gardening club. She has been coaching a youth basketball team. They have been refurbishing a historic theater. I have been teaching art to underprivileged children. He has been perfecting his woodworking skills. We have been hiking in the desert. She has been practicing mindfulness meditation. They have been organizing community cleanup events. I have been volunteering at a homeless shelter. He has been mentoring at-risk teenagers. We have been participating in a local theater group. She has been teaching cooking classes. They have been renovating a community center. I have been coaching a youth baseball team. He has been tutoring students in science. We have been participating in a photography club. She has been volunteering at an animal rescue center. They have been refurbishing an old library. I have been teaching dance to underprivileged kids. He has been perfecting his gardening skills. We have been hiking in the rainforest. She has been practicing Tai Chi. They have been organizing charity bike rides. I have been volunteering at a literacy program. He has been mentoring young entrepreneurs. We have been participating in a birdwatching club. She has been teaching music to underprivileged youth. They have been refurbishing an old lighthouse. I have been coaching a youth soccer league. He has been tutoring students in history. We have been sailing on the open ocean. She has been training service dogs. They have been organizing fundraisers for cancer research. I have been volunteering at a community garden. He has been mentoring underprivileged artists. We have been hiking in the mountains. She has been practicing mindfulness meditation. They have been organizing cleanup efforts in the city. I have been volunteering at a soup kitchen. He has been mentoring at-risk youth. We have been participating in a theater production. She has been teaching pottery classes. They have been renovating a historic landmark. I have been coaching a youth basketball team. He has been tutoring students in literature. We have been hiking in the wilderness. She has been practicing yoga regularly. They have been organizing charity runs. I have been volunteering at a wildlife sanctuary. He has been mentoring aspiring writers. We have been birdwatching in the wetlands. She has been teaching art to underprivileged children. They have been refurbishing an old school building. I have been coaching a youth baseball team. He has been tutoring students in mathematics. We have been participating in a gardening club. She has been volunteering at a homeless shelter. They have been renovating a community center. I have been teaching dance to underprivileged kids. He has been perfecting his woodworking skills. We have been hiking in the desert. She has been practicing Tai Chi. They have been organizing charity bike rides. I have been volunteering at a literacy program. He has been mentoring young entrepreneurs. We have been sailing on the open ocean. She has been training service dogs. They have been organizing fundraisers for cancer research. I have been volunteering at a community garden. He has been mentoring underprivileged artists. We have been hiking in the mountains. She has been practicing mindfulness meditation. They have been organizing cleanup efforts in the city. I have been volunteering at a soup kitchen. He has been mentoring at-risk youth. We have been participating in a theater production. She has been teaching pottery classes. They have been renovating a historic landmark. I have been coaching a youth basketball team. He has been tutoring students in literature. We have been hiking in the wilderness. She has been practicing yoga regularly. They have been organizing charity runs. I have been volunteering at a wildlife sanctuary. He has been mentoring aspiring writers. We have been birdwatching in the wetlands. She has been teaching art to underprivileged children. They have been refurbishing an old school building. I have been coaching a youth baseball team.